Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to share you 10 essential OneDrive tips and tricks you need to be know in 2025 to boost your cloud storage game. So whether you are using OneDrive for work, school or personal files, these tips will help you stay organized, save time and keep your files secure. Let's jump right into it. So first of all, let's go talk about the tips. Number one, how you can use OneDrive. Like you can use it for your personal vault. Like want to store sensitive documents like IDs, password or text and files, then use personal vault, a secure folder inside OneDrive that uses two-factor authentication and automation looking after inactivity, encryption for added safety. And to enable it, it is really easy. You just need to go to OneDrive. As you can see, we are already in our OneDrive. Then you need to be click on personal vault. So here you will find out the personal vault from that place. So you just need to be click over here. Once you click over here, then follow setup steps. Bonus, it even works on mobile too. So if you download some of folder, let's download some files in OneDrive, then go further. So I'm going to upload this video. Once I upload it, then you can see this is OneDrive, our OneDrive. This is our file has been uploaded over that place. Let's refresh it and let's click on start. Next again, let's get started. So my files has been uploaded over that place. So here you can see we have this personal vault options. So you just need to be click on this personal vault. Once you upload it or click over here, then they will give you the options to protect your account. So you just need to be follow some step to enable this personal vault option in your OneDrive. So this is the simplest way to enable it. Next tip is sync a specific folder only. Like you are running on a low on stress, then this will be a workful for you. So you don't need to sync everything to your computer. To choose what to sync, just right click on the OneDrive icon in your system tray, then click on setting and then select on account. So this way you can select this one. Let's find out the setting options. Here it will be the setting. Here you can see this is the setting. Then you just need to be click on your account. Once you click over here, then they will get the options for choose folder. You just need to be choose your folder. Once you choose your folder, then select only what you need, like save space. Especially if you use OneDrive on a laptop with limited SSD, then it might be helpful for you. Then let's talk about the number 3 tips. Use OneDrive version history. Like accidentally you deleted or overwrite a file. Now how we can rearrange this one? So it is really simple. Just right click any version history. So just click over here and click on write down. Okay, let's go back, right click, and then here in the top bottom you will get some option version history. Just click on version history. Once you click over here, then you will get the options here. As you can see, this is the options for history, and from this option you can review, you can view, restore or download older version even from weeks ago. So works for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDFs and more will be like workable in these options. So let's talk about number 4 tips, that is request file feature. So need someone to send your files without giving them access to your folder. You can do it. Use request files. Right click on a folder. Let's click on a folder. Right click on the folder. Then here you get the options for request files. Just click over here and let's find out here the share option, or you can manage action. Just click on share. Once you click over here, then you will get the option for share, which one you want to share. You can change the setting, like people who choose people with existing access or anyone. I am going to choose anyone, that's why I'm going to click on apply. Once I apply it, then I will get the copy link option. Just click on copy link and then you can share this link with anyone you want. Others can upload but cannot see what inside. Super useful for collecting resume, assignment or project file with this one. Next I'm going to talk about tip 5, and that is share files with expiry and password. So the process is really simple. Like want more control when sharing. Like here you can see we have couple of folder over here, picture and documents. Like I want to share this folder with others, so here you just need to be select this one. Then here you will see that we have this share option in the top. Then you just need to be click over here. Once you click over here, now you can see we have this gear icon button, it's called share. You just need to be click over here, and now you can see we have bunch of options. And in the more setting, you can see we have another option that called set expiration date. So you can also add the password over here, and great for time limited links and secure sharing with clients or collaborator. So this is the another tip. So let's go on to the number 6 tips, and this is free up space with files on demand. Like files on demand lets you access all files from your PC, but only download them when you are open them. You can turn it on by clicking open drive setting, then click on setting tab. Then you will find out option like check save space and download file as you use them. You see everything in Explorer without eating up space. Then go ahead and talk about number 7 tips, and that is automate backup for desktop, documents and pictures. Here don't lose local files. Like go to OneDrive setting backup tab, and then you will get the option called manage backup. So let's click on here and options. We are going to click over here options. In options we will get the options called backup tab. Here it doesn't have any, that's why. So you will get the option called backup. Here you can see restore your OneDrive. This way you can manage your backup in OneDrive. Your files stay safe in the cloud even if your PC crash. So I hope this may be workful for you in future. Let's go ahead and talk about tip 4 or 8, that is use OneDrive search smartly. Like don't scroll forever, use the powerful search bar. You can search by file type name. In the search bar you can search everything from that place. You just type PDF. If you're looking for PDF, just PDF, and PDF will be organized way it will be come to you. You also can search by modified date. Like you need to be add modifier before the name, modified, and then start. Then you need to be search your this week options, and this way you can find out your this week modified folder or modified files from OneDrive. Then keyword in file name or content, this will be you can find your files. It will save time and find your file instantly. And let's talk about tip 9, and that is documents with the OneDrive mobile app. And let's turn your phone into a portable scanner, and in the OneDrive mobile app tap the icon, choose scan, capture receipts and note whiteboards and convert them to PDF or JPG. These files and upload instantly to your OneDrive, great for remote work or travel. Let's go and talk about the last tip, that is restore entire OneDrive. How you can do it. Like if your OneDrive gets corrupted, deleted or hit by any ransomware, don't panic. Use restore your OneDrive. Just go over here, you need to click on this gear button, and here you can find out the options. Click on options. Once you click over here, then here you will find out this called restore your OneDrive. This way you can restore your whole file and process. Choose a date and restore everything to how it was. It's a lifesaver in case of data loss of cyber attacks. So thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments which OneDrive tips are you going to try first. See you in the next tutorial.